Hey everyone, I just picked up this 1983 F-150. My family recently purchased a beach house on Long Beach, Washington, so I wanted something I could drive on the beach and not have to worry about rust or how the truck looks. So it's an 83 F-150, four-wheel drive, long bed, with the inline 6, so the same as my little red truck that you guys all know, and it's got a 4 on the floor. And so we'll try, this is the first cold start. We'll see how it goes. The guy said I might have to mess with it a little bit. I picked it up for $800, so it was a pretty good deal.
What's the temperature outside?
It's probably 30. It's all frozen. So it's below 32, probably right around 32. Gonna need a little help. I think I even have I think I have some ether. We'll get some ether. We'll see if I don't have some ether. We'll get some ether and see, hook up my little jump starter to it.